In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate Smart App Control in Windows 11. Smart App Control is a built-in security feature that helps protect your computer by blocking untrusted or potentially malicious apps. If you've previously turned it off, or it was disabled automatically, you might want to turn it back on for extra protection. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own computer. First, let's open the Settings app. Move your cursor down to the Start button on your taskbar and click it. In the menu that appears, select the Settings icon. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time to open Settings directly. Once Settings is open, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. This is where Windows groups together most of your security and privacy-related options. In the Privacy and Security section, find and click on Windows Security. This will open a dedicated area that manages things like virus protection, firewall settings, and of course, Smart App Control. Now, click the button that says Open Windows Security. This launches the main Windows Security app in a separate window. Give it a moment to load if your system is a bit slow. Inside the Windows Security window, look at the list on the left and click on App and Browser Control. This section controls how Windows reacts when you open apps or browse the web, and it's exactly where Smart App Control lives. At the top of the App and Browser Control page, you should see a section labeled Smart App Control. Click on it to expand the options. Here, you'll typically see settings like On, Evaluation, or Off. To reactivate Smart App Control, select the On option. Windows may prompt you that a restart is required for the change to take effect. If you see that message, go ahead and save any work you have open. Then restart your computer when you're ready. This restart is important because Smart App Control only fully activates after your system reboots. Once your PC has restarted, Smart App Control will be active again and working in the background to help block untrusted apps. If you find later that it's too strict or interferes with apps you trust, you can always return to the same App and Browser Control section and adjust the setting again.